Hey everybody, this is Miss Susan and welcome to another Snack Attack. I'm Miss Susan from the Madison Public Library, and once a month I'm going to come to you to share some really cool recipes that are easy for kids to do. Now, if you want to get notifications each month on when I have my next Snack Attack video, just hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that bell so you can get notified each month so you can find out the latest Snack Attack idea that I have for your kids. Well, today we're going to make chocolate popcorn. So we're going to take a plain container of popcorn and we're going to add cinnamon and we're going to have hot cocoa mix and we're going to turn it into a yummy sweet snack. All right, so for starters, like I said, these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 12 tablespoons or about 3 packets of your favorite hot chocolate mix. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of cinnamon, about 16 cups of popcorn. Then in order to make it all stick, you're going to want non-stick spray. You want butter flavored so that you can get that buttery flavor, just like if you go to the movies and you want buttery flavored popcorn, buttered flavored cooking spray. Now, in order to mix all this together, you're going to need a big brown paper bag, one that hasn't been used. And then we have some other scoops and bowls and spoons to put it all together. So this is how it goes. Open up your bag. We're going to use 1 cup scoop, and we're going to do these in batches. So first we want to put 4 cups of popcorn inside our bag. We're going to put a little spray on it, and then we're going to shake it up. And we're going to keep doing that until all of the popcorn is coated with the butter spray. All right, and we're done. We'll just put these little extra popcorns to this kernels to the side. Okay, next thing we want to do is you need an empty bowl because we're going to mix the hot cocoa mix and the cinnamon together in a bowl. Make sure you carefully stir it well. You don't want to go too fast or go too hard, or you're going to have a lot of, it's going to have a lot of powder in the air. We don't need to be sneezing because we've got hot cocoa powder and cinnamon up our nose. So stir, 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 just like that. Then what we're going to do is in batches, we're going to put a little bit of this in here, then shake a little bit more and shake until this is all inside our brown bag. All right, let's take a look. Let's see how it looks. Wow, chocolate covered popcorn. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's taste it. Let's see how it tastes. That's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. What do you think? If you get a chance to try this, I've left my email in the description, kids2@maple.org. Send me a picture of your finished chocolate popcorn. Tell me what you think. Did you like it? Did you hate it? If you didn't like it, what would you do differently? What might you add? Let me know, shoot me an email, and let me know what you think. I would love to hear your opinions. Other than that, My name is Miss Susan, and I'm from the Madison Public Library. Again, if you want to see me every month to see what different after Snack Attack that I'm going to be doing, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so your phone can get dinged every time I've added a new Snack Attack video. Thanks so much for joining me, everybody. Bye.